Let's unbox and specs.
I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Welcome back, folks. It's your boy DCS on another video, and we've got a Majorette car this time. It's just not that old Majorette style car, guys, because we have got the road tape plus one car. And let me just show you closely. This is our roll tape. Unroll, stick and play. It is pretty nice, guys. Fun that sticks from Majorette. It's a pretty rare find. I couldn't find it much on online stores. You know, the links are pretty hard to find. So when I found this, only one was there in stock and I couldn't get the links. When the stock is available, I'll provide the links in the description for you guys to check it out and buy. Alright, getting on with this car today. So the car here is very special. It's an Audi R8 V10 Plus, the second generation one, also called as the Type 4S. Basically, it shares the same build platform with the Lamborghini Huracan. It's just the same engine, guys. And of course, you guys know who owns both Audi and Lamborghini, the Volkswagen Group. So you can expect most similar things. And going for the car today, we are going to unbox this thing and we're going to take the specs too. But before that, I'm really sorry, guys. I'm unable to put any of my shorts or reels on Instagram. That's because currently I'm having a tough situation with my exams and I can't concentrate on both of it, so you guys understand, right? But definitely it'll be coming up soon, the reels part and also the shorts, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to check this car out in more detail, check out the intro part. It'll be popping up in the screen right here, so definitely check that out. And now let's go for the unboxing real quick. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, here comes the Audi. Vroom. Okay, nice drift. Okay, leaving that. Seeing the logo, guys, the first look of this car is pretty damn nice. The details part is amazing. You have the Audi logo right here, which is pretty nice. You have the V10 logo too. How cool is that? And you have glass headlights, which most Hot Wheels don't have, so it is a pretty rare one right there. And it's bigger than the Hot Wheel. I can't actually compare it, but it is actually bigger than the Hot Wheel. And looking at the back of the car, you have another Audi logo, but no R8 logo, which is yeah, slightly disappointing right there. You have a cool engine bay. You can actually see the engine prints right there, but it's not written Audi or anything. You just have those strut bars covering the engine, so that's pretty much it, but I don't complain. And this is the interior. Actually, you can't see it from the side, so I'm just showing you from the front view. You can see the steering wheel is also pretty nicely detailed. I really like the interior part of this car, and there are a little bit of scratches on the body, as you guys saw how roughed up the box was in the beginning. So due to that, it has got some scratches, which is kind of sad. Anyways, talking about the wheels are spiky ones, which is nice. I actually like these kind of wheels more, better than those other ones. So and look at the bottom, I totally forgot the bottom. You have Audi R8 written right here, made in Thailand, Majorette, and it's actually given 158. I don't know whether it's a scale or not, but maybe it is the scale. You guys commented down below what it is. And talking about the tape, which I totally forgot, so this is just a regular old masking tape which has that road decals on it, so it's not that special. You can just stick it around, or you can just design it and probably play with your cars. You know, it's pretty realistic. Or you can just put an A4 size sheet, which I actually usually use, which is much better than this one. Anyways, that's the overall looks, guys. Let's go for the specs now. Wow, look at that shine, guys, except for the scratches on top. Well, let's talk about the specs of this second gen Audi R8 V10 Plus. First, let's go for the best part, that is the top speed. So here it comes, guys. The top speed of this car is ranging from 333 kilometers per hour to 338 kilometers per hour. That's about 206 miles per hour, so it's about 201 miles per hour, which is actually faster than the Lamborghini Huracan. Do you guys consider that? Well, that's what I found out. Anyways, going for the acceleration time, The acceleration time of this car is 2.9 seconds, or close to 3 actually. It's just 3 seconds to be precise. Anyways, talking about the horsepower, it does 602 horsepower at 8,250 RPM. That's a lot of revving range right there. Going for the engine, you guys know it, the high revving 5.2 liter V10, guys, the fuel injected V10, which is actually nice, naturally aspirated of course. And talking about its transmission, you have the 7-speed dual clutch, guys, the S-tronic dual clutch from Audi, which is really nice with that speed shift thing. Going for the body style, you guys know it, it's a 2-door coupe sports car, or let's say supercar, that is. And that is the end of the specs. I just forgot one thing about the specs. This car is an all-wheel drive. You of course get the rear-wheel drive version also, but the all-wheel drive is standard one. Well, that is the end of the specs, guys. Now talking about its ratings, guess what? I give it out of a 10. I give it a 9. Leaving apart the scratches, it does miss some of the details, so that's why I'm giving it a 9. You guys comment down below whether I'm giving it a fair score or not, and comment your ratings too. And don't worry guys, the links, I will be providing it once it is back in stock, so don't worry about that. I'll be putting it back. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family who are interested in cars and diecasts. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe.